The Director of Health Services, Government of Meghalaya, Dr. Aman War, while speaking to newspersons at the launch of the COVID vaccine, said that this has come in the form of an answered prayer to the people. He further informed that a section of the frontliners, the Director of NEGRIMS, the Medical Superintendent of NEGRIMS, and others had been immunized, and it was observed that there were no side effects of the vaccine on those who had been inoculated.
Ang mood pangilakmi nanti baru asyikata nadu penghasang kaneka kelam benda kasih kalau urlap pakai itu berfikwa baru asyikata kata ketika ada ni vaksin benda kalau urlap kalau ada itu benda ketemu benda bah minile peniada ya tadi miniada ya kibai di padang ni kenduk iki dah kaba ni wan syahmat na benda ai kami ketika gani gani vaksin gani ke jengkrek ayat mentala katno benai syu benem step syua sedang ya ketika jeng ai ketika vaccination menteri rang badu jong kejela ilawan pet ilawan mi ya jeng jengkrek korban bat ilai daladi dalam jeng mat bagi jemput kaya berhak ilang mobil mobiang, dia fakapur sustain, hadirin kalian niyo kejengkeran lagi menteri rambak do juga ri kejengi, ilas sedang berai ya kali ketika, but ia sedang na kinong tre kiba hakmat do kiba ikendo ya kinong pang, but ini iba mi ai ni kau. Niladap ai, niladap pet, hadin life whole minute, but ni iba kamdan ganu ka jing sitaw, dan ni ka jing fair hakamet ka jing. Hadin kata niladap ai si iba kiri nong tray ki bali jong ka health, kiri ba ya kendu ahmad ki nong pang, nang tang iwan sa ya director jong NEGRIMS ki bai kendu education nomor long in charge ya anesthesiology pet high education medical superintendent ni bari pet ya ka ENT department kini gelada bai gelada song life 4 minute bat kidan bagi menta jemdan jeng DRT ya kani kajing sedang kajing ai tika ka ba hedu hari ka ba sedang ka ba hedu hari kelas sedang menta bat ni next camp ba gajing ang not jong pada ba ki baru kinwan biang kum bajulang syua ban ubi yang dipang kat urlang ia diwai baru kata ba ublay try kendrat ai gajing start ya ki doktor ya ki scientist bakinyo ya vaksin ban ai ya gajing ya dai bat menta kana urlang bat ni ai kublai ya beri baru jong kejela hala kacong ke benta gimana ai ya kejing kesan kejong ni ya kacong ki yang ni mengindile ini kejong dipang hala kejong kiyeng hala kejong di benta kaca mengilet nyo ya kani ka kubor naki bang ibu ya pi baru hak jing device bat mentang ilayo ya kani ikwa ban pentriang ya kubon lembah ka jongpi ba da kani kajingwan jong ketika ninget skan ba kajingnya daru ka jukor kawan lang kumju the same thing which I have already repeated again and again the vaccine is for protection and for preventing spread of the disease. These are the most important aspects of this vaccine, and we are very thankful. Ya, I could play, ya, the director of NEGRIMS, ya, administration of NEGRIMS, Nagaland Health Department.
While addressing newspersons at the press briefing, the Principal Secretary of Health and Family Welfare Department, Government of Meghalaya, Sampath Kumar, said that health officials and NIGRIMS as well as health workers of the hospital had been vaccinated on the launch of the vaccine in the state. He also informed that reports from all 10 sites where vaccination is going on is positive, and so far there have been no reports of any side effects of the vaccine.
We started the vaccination program. Honorable Prime Minister has launched it across the country, and after his speech, we started the program. And I'm happy to share with you that, two of the senior colleagues, Director Negreens and the Medical Superintendent, both have taken the vaccine. And after 30 minutes, they are here, so they will share it with you. So it started off very well across the state. And we have 10 sites. In all the 10 sites, we got the information, and it started well. And it's a very positive note that all the healthcare workers who have actually been in the fighting the COVID in all these months. So they are being covered in the first phase. Afterwards, other frontline workers will be covered. But just I wanted to say that start.
Those present at the press briefing were the Director of NIGRIMS, Medical Superintendent of NIGRIMS, health officials besides others.